Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why is your iPhone saying no SIM. If your iPhone is saying that there's no SIM, then probably there's no SIM, but it's not always the case. Sometimes it may be actually something else. So you may want to check if your SIM card is inserted properly. So if you have a physical SIM, then you will have a tray somewhere here. If you have an eSIM installed on your system, then just skip this step. But if you have a physical one, then use a pin, needle, or SIM card tray opener to take the SIM card tray out. Now there's gonna be a SIM inside. Right, it's worth taking the SIM out, then cleaning it with some cloth. You may also use rubbing alcohol for it. Feel free to do it. Just clean the card well, then put it into the tray again. Make sure it's aligned correctly, very correctly. Sometimes the cards, like from my experience, if you have a very old card, it may have been earlier like a different standard. This is the nano SIM. You might have a micro SIM or mini SIM. I think it's mini SIM or just standard SIM. And those are actually like they may have been cut by the carrier instead of replacing them. They may have been just physically cut to the shape, and sometimes they aren't perfectly aligned, so it's worth clicking them in that case. Or replacing your SIM card. Also, sometimes the SIM card is not working. You can see it asks me for my SIM pin because I have one. Once I click on OK after entering the pin, I have the signal. But if you still don't have it, try sliding from the right top part of your screen, then enabling airplane mode, waiting for 10 seconds, then disabling it. It may also help. Restarting your iPhone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons. Then sliding this slider, waiting for 30 seconds, and then pressing and holding on the power button itself to turn the phone on. Now there's also an option that you may need to update your iOS, so go to settings, go to general, then go to software update, and if there's any update available here, install it. Now you may also want to reset network settings. Go to transfer reset iPhone, reset and reset network settings. I'm not gonna click on it because it's gonna like do it now, and it's just taking too much time. But it's also in general, by the way, like in settings, in general, all the way down to transfer reset iPhone and reset, not erase all content in the settings. Be careful not to click on that because it's gonna erase your whole phone. Just click on reset, then reset network settings. Now there's also a chance that it's actually a problem with your carrier, so you may want to check your plan or your account at your carrier to see if there's something wrong there, maybe something wrong with the payment or the plan has come to an end. Also, you may want to just contact your carrier, and if it doesn't help, then you may want to contact Apple. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.